Hey, here's how you reset your air conditioning for 2013 Freightliner Cascadia day cab. I'm sure it's the same for a sleeper. So you hold it position 0, hot, and all the way to this position right here. You hold these two buttons right here for 5 seconds. Then you'll see flashing. Once it quits flashing, your HVAC system has been reset. That's an easy fix. So if you need something done, something else, it might be your pump, it might be your condenser, it might be low on fluid, either one. So there you go, easy fix. 2013 Cascadia Freightliner.